Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and follow people on Blue Sky. Stick around till the end to learn the easiest ways to connect with others and grow your network. So let's get started. First, open the Blue Sky app on your device and log into your account if you have not already. Once you land on the home screen, click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and you will land on screen like this. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the app and then type in the name, username, or handle of the person you want to find. And if you're unsure of their exact username, you can try typing keywords or related terms, and Blue Sky will display matching results based on your search. Now click on profile to see more details about the person, and here you will see their bio, post, and other relevant information. Now, in order to follow someone, click on follow button next to their name. Once tapped, you will start seeing their post on your feed. And if you do not have a specific person in mind, you can explore suggestions. In suggestions, you will find recommended accounts based on your interest. Here, you can simply click on follow to follow that person. And that's how easy it is to find and follow people on Blue Sky Social. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.